Unleash the future of automation. Learn to build your custom GPT and automate anything from Google PPC to Facebook campaigns. Prepare for a revelation in AI. Transform ChatGPT into your personal automation powerhouse, crafting efficiency in every entrepreneur and marketer's playbook. Imagine the possibilities of automating practically anything with your personalized GPT. Today, we're delving deep into the details, turning ChatGPT into a force of automation that's not only exciting but incredibly useful for everyone. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey where time, rapid iteration, and efficiency reign supreme. Let's get started. The quest for a useful custom GPT. Embarking on the quest for a useful custom GPT is an exhilarating journey, where precision reigns supreme. Unlike broader approaches, success lies in a well-defined path, much like crafting a video game. In this quest, we focus on the transformative power of GPTs, tailored for building PPC campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook. The key to effectiveness is creating a prompt sequence, requesting detailed steps, and then translating it into finely tuned instructions. This precision ensures your GPT becomes a reliable companion, interacting and checking in with you throughout the automation adventure. The journey doesn't end with testing. It evolves through iterative refinement, each tweak enhancing the GPT's capabilities. Join us as we delve into the intricate world of crafting custom GPTs, unlocking a realm where innovation meets efficiency. Step 1. Crafting the perfect prompt sequence. Crafting the perfect prompt sequence is the pivotal beginning of your custom GPT journey. Picture it as laying the foundation for a skyscraper, with each detail forming a crucial part of the structure. In this step, you initiate by asking your GPT to list detailed steps for the process you aim to automate, such as PPC campaigns. This initial list becomes the raw material for the subsequent steps. Once you have this foundation, throw it back to the large language model, ChatGPT, and request prompts for each step. This refines and shapes your prompt sequence into a comprehensive roadmap, ready for GPT's transformative touch. Think of it as creating a map that your GPT will follow, ensuring a smooth journey from concept to automation. This step sets the stage for the intricate dance of precision and creativity that follows in your custom GPT adventure. Step 2. Decoding the GPT Instructions. Decoding the GPT Instructions propels your custom GPT journey into the realms of strategic precision and seamless interaction. Like a maestro refining a symphony, this step involves transforming the rich prompt sequence into instructions that fuel your GPT. Imagine mapping out the main ideas, ensuring they flow harmoniously, and incorporating essential check-in points. These instructions serve as the conductor's baton, guiding your GPT through the intricacies of the automation adventure. You want your GPT to engage with you, seeking feedback and confirming it's on the right track. It becomes your trusty sidekick, ready to navigate the twists and turns of your unique automation requirements. Decoding these instructions is the key to creating a dynamic and responsive GPT, turning it from a mere tool into a collaborative partner in your quest for efficiency and innovation. Step 3. Testing the GPT waters. Testing the GPT waters catapults your custom GPT into the spotlight, transforming theoretical precision into practical magic. This phase is akin to the grand opening night of a play. It's showtime. Armed with refined instructions, you unleash your GPT to generate campaign ideas, much like a stage performance unfolding. Copy, paste, and witness the GPT's prowess in action. Need tweaks? No problem. This step allows dynamic, real-time editing of instructions, ensuring a seamless testing and tweaking loop. Imagine it as the dress rehearsal for your AI coaching program, with each run enhancing performance. This genius setup prevents the juggling act between testing and tweaking, creating an environment where your GPT evolves and adapts on the fly. Step into the spotlight and witness the magic of your custom GPT taking center stage in the world of automation. Step 4. Iteration. Let's talk about refining your masterpiece. The heart of GPT mastery, iteration, transforms your custom GPT into a masterpiece through the art of refinement. This step is where the initial testing journey blossoms into an ongoing dance of creativity and technological finesse. Iteration goes beyond mere testing. It's the continuous process of tweaking instructions based on real-world experience, diving into generated content, and fine-tuning for optimal performance. Picture it as a sculptor refining their sculpture, each adjustment enhancing the GPT's capabilities. The heart of GPT mastery lies in this iterative process, a dynamic interplay between human insights and machine precision. With each iteration, your GPT evolves, becoming more attuned to your unique needs and unlocking new levels of efficiency. Embrace the rhythm of iteration and witness your custom GPT reach unprecedented heights in the realm of automation. Step 5. The GPT Symphony. The GPT Symphony, public, private, or somewhere in between, marks the culmination of your custom GPT journey, giving you the power to decide its destiny. Imagine standing on the conductor's podium, orchestrating whether your creation will resonate with the world, remain exclusive to a chosen few, or be your closely guarded secret. Public sharing unleashes your GPT to the masses, inviting collaboration and innovation. Opting for a private affair keeps its capabilities hush-hush, reserved for a select group. Perhaps you choose a middle ground, selectively sharing the brilliance of your creation. This decision places the baton firmly in your hands, allowing you to shape the impact and reach of your custom GPT. The GPT Symphony finale is a testament to the flexibility and control you wield over the fruits of your automation adventure. Introducing the GPT Instructions Generator unveils a secret weapon in your arsenal, revolutionizing the way you craft custom GPTs. Imagine having a personal wizard by your side, simplifying the intricate process of converting prompt sequences into seamless instructions. This ingenious tool serves as the bridge between your ideas and the GPT's language, ensuring a flawless translation. Picture this. Copy your carefully curated prompt sequence, drop it into the generator, and watch the magic unfold. The GPT Instructions Generator transforms complexity into simplicity, offering a streamlined approach to refining your GPT's capabilities. It's like having a trusted companion that understands the nuances of your creative vision, effortlessly translating it into actionable instructions. This tool becomes an indispensable ally, eliminating guesswork and expediting the process from ideation to execution. The GPT Instructions Generator emerges as a game changer, providing you with a shortcut to harnessing the full potential of your custom GPT. With this newfound ally, crafting sophisticated instructions for your GPT becomes not just efficient, but a delightful experience, marking a significant milestone in your automation journey. And there you have it, my friends. A journey from ideation to creation, testing to deployment, and finally, the sweet taste of automation success. Building custom GPTs doesn't have to be a head-scratcher. It's an art, a science, and now, your secret weapon for driving profitability and business success. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of custom GPTs, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey, and until next time, happy automating.